Did you know your emotional balance can be enhanced with flowers, sacred geometry, and energetic codes? Discover EnerCodex, Bach Flowers, a modern method that combines the wisdom of the 38 Bach flowers with energetic cards and radionics numbers, helping you regain clarity, calm, and well-being. Inside, you'll find professional blends designed to harmonize stress, improve sleep, protect your energy, support grief, and strengthen intuition, all with simple, practical techniques. Explore clear profiles of each of the 38 Bach flowers, follow step-by-step instructions to activate carriers with a pendulum, and access ready-to-use 6C and 30C energetic configurations, along with their radionics codes. EnerCodex is designed for therapists, clients, children, and even sensitive pets. A versatile tool you can integrate into your daily life or professional practice. More than a book, it's a vibrational guide to help you remember who you are and keep your energy field in harmony. Gentle, accessible, and profound. Take the next step toward your well-being. Bach Flowers, a guide to vibrational healing, is now available on Amazon. Get your copy today and transform your energy. EnerCodex, vibrational healing for the soul.